Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Dima, I'm from Belarus. I'm native Russian speaker and I continue learning English language, and at the same time I try to teach you Russian language. This video will be very helpful for you because probably you know that English word my we can translate into Russian like мои, мой, моя, моё. Yes, but what's the difference between all these words? When you need to use all these words in the sentence, and in this video I will explain to you when. I will try to explain to you this topic much more quickly and effectively because time is money, yes? Let's not waste time, let's go. Firstly, you should know that when we talk about several things in our sentence, we use word мои. When we say about several things. For example, several students, several books, cars, apartments, apples, and so on. We use word мои when we say about one thing, one apple, one student, one home, one car, one book. We use word моя, мой, моё. Yes. Firstly, we talk about word мои. I mean, when we talk about several things. For example, these are my students. How we translate this sentence into Russian? Это мои студенты. These are my students. Это мои студенты. My students. Мои студенты. Other example. These are my apples. Это мои яблоки. My apples, мои яблоки. These are my books. Это мои книги. My books, мои книги. Other examples. My students are very smart. Мои студенты очень умные. My students, мои студенты. These are my children. Это мои дети. My children, мои дети. I hope you understood this quite easy rule, and we go next. By the way, how we pronounce this word мои? You see that this word written with letter O, but we don't pronounce like мои, we pronounce like мои, understand? So next we talk about words like мой, моя, моё. Firstly, you should know that in Russian, nouns are divided into feminine, masculine, and neuter. I'm not sure that I pronounced this word correctly, but I write in the screen these my words. Firstly, we talk about feminine gender. You should know that if you see Russian nouns and these Russian nouns end with the letter A, я, and мягкий знак, we use word моя. For example, this is my car. Это моя машина. We see that word машина ends with letter A. It means that we use word моя. This is my car. Это моя машина. This is my apartment. Это моя квартира. The same situation. Квартира ends with letter A. It means that we use word моя машина. Моя квартира. This is my wife. Это моя жена. The same situation. This is my dog. Это моя собака. My dog. Моя собака. Other example. This is my profession. Это моя профессия. We see that word профессия ends with letter я. It means that we use also word моя. This is my profession. Это моя профессия. This is my idea. Это моя идея. My idea. Моя идея. Other example. This is my daughter. Это моя дочь. My daughter. My дочь. We see that Russian word дочь ends with letter мягкий знак. By the way, if you don't know this letter, please watch my last video about Russian alphabet, and I talk about this letter in last video. This is my life. Это моя жизнь. My life, моя жизнь. We see that this word жизнь also ends with letter мягкий знак. It means that we also use word моя. This is my love. Это моя любовь. My love, моя любовь. How we pronounce this word моя? We see that also that this word written with letter O. Моя, моя, but it isn't correctly. We pronounce like моя, not моя. We pronounce like моя, моя, моя дочь, моя квартира, моя машина, моя любовь, моя жизнь. Understand? But there are exceptions. For example, Russian word like имя, name, and время, time. We see that these two words, имя and время, end with the letter я. And probably you can tell me that we need to use word моя because this word ends with letter я. But it exceptions because when we build sentence with this word имя and время, you need to use word моё, моё. I mean, this is my name. We translate this sentence into Russian like это моё имя, not моя имя, моё имя. This is my time. Это моё время, not моя время, моё время. So next we talk about masculine gender. I mean, when we see Russian nouns and these nouns have masculine gender, we use word мой. And when we see nouns that and these nouns ends in a consonant or with the letter y and e, we use word мой. For example, this is my friend. Это мой друг. We see that Russian word друг ends with the consonant g. Друг, g. This is my friend. Это мой друг. This is my table. Это мой стол. Стол. Russian word стол also ends with the consonant. It means that we use word мой. My table, мой стол. This is my home. Это мой дом. My home, мой дом. This is my phone. Это мой телефон. My phone, мой телефон. This is my lesson. Это мой урок. My lesson, мой урок. This is my refrigerator. Это мой холодильник. My refrigerator, мой холодильник. Okay, other examples. This is my museum. I hope I pronounced this correctly. This is my museum. Это мой музей. Это мой музей. But also, you should know that in this situation, when we talk about masculine gender, about Russian nouns, sometimes when we see Russian words and these words, these nouns end with the letter мягкий знак, we also sometimes use word мой. For example, this is my calendar. Это мой календарь. We see that this word календарь ends with the letter мягкий знак. I know that you can tell me that why do you use мой, not моя? Because we talk about this when we talk about feminine gender, yes? But it's exceptions. Other example, for example, this is my writer. Это мой писатель. My writer, мой писатель. Or this is my dictionary. Это мой словарь. My dictionary, мой словарь. It's just exceptions. Okay, where do you also use this word мой? For example, with the Russian word like папа, father, папа. This is my father. Это мой папа. This is my uncle. Это мой дядя. Это мой дядя. This is my man. Это мой мужчина. Это мой мужчина. It's also exceptions. Understand? So, and next we talk about when do you need use word моё. Моё. If nouns end with letter о, е, ие, and мя, we use word моё. For example, this is my apple. Это моё яблоко. We see that Russian word яблоко ends with letter о. It means that we use word моё. Next, this is my window. Это моё окно. The same situation. Окно ends with letter о. It means that we use word моё. Это моё. This is my face. Это моё лицо. The same situation. My face. Моё лицо. This is my sea. Это моё море. My sea. Моё море. This is my lake. Это моё озеро. My lake. Моё озеро. Next example. This is my happiness. Это моё счастье. Счастье ends with letter е. It means that we use word моё. My happiness. Моё счастье. This is my sun. Это моё солнце. My sun. Моё солнце. This is my health. Это моё здоровье. My health. Моё здоровье. The same situation. Здоровье ends with letter е. It means that we use word моё. My health. Моё здоровье. This is my generation. Это моё поколение. The same situation. Ends with letters ие. It means that we use word моё. This is my generation. Это моё поколение. And we came back to these two words. Name, имя, and time, время. We see that these two words end with the combination of the letters мя. It means that we use word моё. This is my name. Это моё имя. This is my time. Это моё время. Of course, there are exceptions, because when we see Russian word кофе, кофе, we translate into English like coffee, yes? We need to use word мой, мой. I know that this word ends with the letter е, and we need to use word моё, but isn't correctly. It's exceptions. With this Russian word coffee, you need to use word мой, мой кофе. This is my coffee. Это мой кофе. My coffee. Мой кофе. If you didn't understand these rules, what I talked about this topic, please watch this video one more time, and if you have question for me, please write in comment your questions under this video. I promise I will answer all your questions, because I wanna help you learn Russian language. And if I deserved, please subscribe to my channel, put like, and bye bye.